Hi there, I'm Peter Myers, a Microsoft Most Valued Professional of over 14 years, and I specialise in Microsoft Business Intelligence. I'll soon be presenting a pre-con event at the Data Platform Summit. It's called Power BI Desktop Data Modeling End to End. This pre-con event will be delivered in two 4-hour parts on November 30 and December 1. During the event, you'll learn how to develop robust Power BI desktop data models. The event will describe data modeling fundamentals together with a development methodology. It'll cover how to create model tables with Power Query, how to create and configure appropriate model relationships, how to improve and enrich the data model design with usability features and calculations, and lastly, how to enforce row-level security to define and test roles. To be clear, this event introduces foundational theory and builds upon it by describing best practices and, best of all, lots of real-world tips. The topics will appeal to those of you that are new to Power BI desktop data modeling, but also to those of you perhaps that are already developing data models today. Remember, the event is scheduled over 2 days in 4-hour sessions on November 30 and December 1. For more details, check out the website. See you there.